Hello everyone, welcome back. In last video we covered normal division. We'll do now division with decimal values. For example, if I give 42 divided by 7, what will be the answer? So let's calculate. 7 ones are 7 6 are 42, right? Answer will be 6. What if I give 43 divided by 7? Let's calculate. 7 43. 7 how many times? 7 6 are 42, right? We are left with 1. So here remainder is 0, so answer is 6. That's perfectly fine. What about this? We left with remainder. In that case, we will put a decimal and we will continue the division. Like I will put a decimal here. If I put a decimal, in every step I can take a single 0. Like now I am taking a single 0. It become 10. So 7 how many times? 7 ones are 7. How much I left? 3. 10 minus 7 is 3. So already I kept a decimal point, right? So now I can easily take another 0. At each step you can take 1 1 0. Now it became 30. 7 4s are 28. 10 minus 8 2, 3 minus 3 0, I left with 2. Already I kept a decimal point, so I can take another 0. At each step only 1 0 is allowed. If you are willing to take 2 zeros, then there is a different condition. So now it became 20. 7 2s are 14. So I left with 6. So and this continues. It's not gonna stop. One second, let me make it full screen. Okay. And you can stop after some 3 digits or 2 digits based on your precision. Like it's 6.142 is the answer. Or you can continue, it will become 60. Again you can do 7 8 is 56 and here 8 and it will continue. So answer can be 6.14 or 6.142 or 6.1428 based on number of digits after decimal. Usually many of the problems will be on 2 digit precision and sometimes 3 digits. Usually 4 digits will not be there, but for knowing purpose I am explaining these things. Now let me take another example. What about something I am dividing, like 36 0 to 7 divided by 9 and 3. We'll do division. Okay, 9 and 360273, right? Check with 3. Can we divide? No, it's smaller. 36, yes we can. Now let me write first 9 table, right? 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36, 9 5s are 45, 9 6s are 54, 9 7s are 63, 9 8s are 72, 9 9s are 81, 9 10s are 90. Okay, 9 4s are 36 is there, right? 9 4s are 36. 663300 answer. I have to take 1 0. Okay, 1 digit below I am took 0. It is smaller than 9. I cannot take another digit. To take another one, for each step only 1 digit is allowed. To take more than 1, there is a condition. If I am willing to take this 2, I can take, but for 1 digit you have to put a 0. Again it's less than 9. I need another more 1 digit. So if I am willing to take another digit, put a 0 for that digit also. 1 is normal taking. For other 2 digits I have to put a 0 to take extra digits. Now 27 we can divide. 9 3 is a 27. 0 0. Again normal 1 digit I can take, but we left with 3. We are left with 3, but we are not dividing. For that we are not at all doing anything for this 3, so I have to put a 0. because 3 is remaining. I took, but I am not dividing. I willing to take next digit, but there is nothing. For that I am putting 0 for this digit, and I am putting a decimal so that I can take 0. Now 9 3s are 27. Remaining 3, I can take 10 because I already kept a decimal. Again it is 9 3s are 27. It will go on 3333. So answer is 40030.33333. It will continue. Let me cross check whether my answer is correct or not. Means answer we got as 40030.33, right? If I multiply with 9, I should get approximate value as 360273. Let me check. 9 3s are 27. 9 3s are 27 plus 2 29. 2. 9 3s are 27. 0. 9 4s are 36. How many points are there after digit? 2, right? I am putting 2. Okay. 360,272.9 means approximately it is equal to 360,273. Right? We are getting as value, means our answer is correct. We can cross check like this also. One more example, like suppose assume 4.8 divided by 0.6. These are decimal division. Not so complicated. We can make it easy. Means suppose assume 1 by 1 is 1, right? What about 10 by 10? Is it also 1? Yes, 10 ones are 10 ones are. It is also 1 by 1. So I can write 1 by 1 as 10 by 10 or 100 by 100 or 1000 by 1000. Any number, same numbers if I write, I can write 1 as these numbers because all are equal, right? So what I will do here, for this type of calculation, first check the digits after decimal. How many digits are there here? 1. Here 1. So I need to multiply 10 on both sides. So 10 by 10 is 1, right? The value won't change. So I have to multiply 10 for both numbers. Upper value will become 48. The lower one will become 6. So it is normal division now. 48 by 6. 6 ones are 6 8s are 48. The answer is 8. Let me take another example. Let me take 4.8 divided by 0.0006. 0006. Now what, like which number we have to multiply on both sides for numerator and denominator? Let me tell. Here how many digits are there after decimal? Only one digit is there, but below 1 2 3 4. The greater the digits, you have to multiply that particular number. Means 4.8 divided by 0.0006 into, here how many digits are there? 4, right? Which is bigger one? 4. So we have to multiply 4 zeros, means 10,000. So upper one will become how much? 48000. The below one will become 6. To make it a proper whole integer, I am multiplying this number. Now you can do 6 ones are 6 8s are. The answer will be 8000. Here it seems complicated, but the answer is easy. Means what I mean, by multiplying these numbers, the answer will get into integer, so that we can easily divide the numbers. Let me take another example. 7.2 divided by 0.08. Here which is having more digits after decimal? Below 1. So I have to multiply those number of zeros. Means 1 after zeros. 7.2 divided by 0.08 into 2 zeros required, right? 100. Then upper number will become 720 and lower become 8. You might have observed, like here I am multiplying 4 zeros, right? So the decimal is shifting 4 places right side. Here you can see, suppose it is 0 0 0. it is shifting 1 2 3 4, so answer is 48000. Here also it is shifting 4 values right side, 1 2 3 4, so answer is 6. In the same way, here we are multiplying 2 zeros, so it is shifting 2 values, 1 2, so it become 720. In this case 1 2, so it became 8. So we can now easily calculate the answers. Like this we can do by multiplying some numbers. Okay, and here are some practice questions. 4.8 by 2, as now we done, like 4.8 by 2, how many digits are there? Only one, right? Just multiply with 1 0, means 10. 48 into 10 will become how much? 48. 4.8 into 10 48, 2 into 10 20. The answer will be 2 10s are 20, 2 24s are 2 5s are 2 12s are, so 12 divided by 5, how much will get? 5 2s are 10. I have to put a decimal, it will become 20, 4s are 20, 0 0. The answer is 2.4. 7.5 by 5, 7.5 divided by 5, how many digits? 1 digit, so multiply with 10, it will become 75 by 5, 50. So do 50 75, sorry, 50 table I will write here, 50 100 150 200 250 and so on. 50 ones are 50, right? 5 and 7 minus 5 2, put a decimal, we will get a 250. 250 means 5 5s are 50, 5s are 250, so answer is 1.5. 12.6, same way, 12.6 divided by 3 means into 10 into 10, because only one digit after decimal, here no digit, so which is the bigger one? 1 is bigger, so 10 10, and calculate the answer. 4.8 by 0.6, as we have done before, multiply by 10 because one digit after decimal, so 48 by 6 8, 6 8s are 48. Here we done 7.5 by 1.5, both having one digit, so multiply with 10. 75 divided by 15, 15 ones are 15 5s are, so answer is 5. 3.24 divided by 0.4, let me do here, 3.24 divided by 0.4, how many digits here? 2, here 1, which is greater 2, so multiply with 2 zeros, means 100, divided by 0.4 into 100. Upper value become 324, below 1 2 digit shift means it become 40. 40 divided by 324, how much? Calculate and do it. 9.6 by 0.8 means 96 by 8, after multiplying 10 10, 8 ones are 8 12s are, answer is 12. Here are some homework questions, please do it and let me know the answers in the comment section, and we'll continue with next video. Thank you.